Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video, and today I am going to be doing some polygel nails for you guys. And these type of nails in particular are going to be strawberries and cream polygel nails. So right here I am just pushing back the cuticles, and then I am just applying my peel off coat, which is an Elmer's glue that I got at the Dollar Tree. This is only because I will be popping them off right after the video is done, but obviously if you want them to last a while, you would prep and prime and then apply your base. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. So today I'll be using two polygels, the GERSHION and the Astound Beauty. One of them is a shimmery polygel. The Astound Beauty one is, it's like a pinkish reddish shimmery polygel, and then the other one is just a white polygel by GERSHION. So here I already have my full cover nail tips by Beetles. I will have them linked down below. I did purchase them on Amazon, so I already have them buffed off camera. So here I am just grabbing the full cover nail tip, and I'm just placing the Astound Beauty gel top coat as an adhesive to my fruit and my stars. So here I'm just placing some of the top coat, and now I'll just begin to apply my fruit slices and along with my stars to my liking. So I hope you guys enjoy, and by the way, let me know how much you guys are enjoying these fruit videos, because I definitely am just in love with the fruit slices at the moment. After I'm done with my placement, I will just cure for a couple seconds. So now I'm just going to begin to randomly place the polygel wherever I desire, both of the colors, and then I'll just bring them together and I'll create like this strawberry and cream type of vibe that I'm going for. So now that I'm done, I just place it on the nail and I cure it for 60 seconds. By the way, I am using 100% acetone nail polish remover as a slip solution. It is working great with these two type of polygels, the Astound Beauty and the GERSHION. Other polygels I am not sure of, but with these two it always works fine. So here I'm just repeating the process. So I hope you guys enjoy. I will stop talking now and I'll let you guys enjoy the video.